Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. It's a very simple card, but I think it's quite effective. So let me show you what I did. So the supplies you're going to need is a thick Whisper White A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Then I've got a piece of normal Whisper White, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And then I've got a scrap of normal Whisper White, a scrap of pasted black. And then I've taken some of our designer series paper. This is the Grapefruit Grove and the Pineapple Punch. And I cut two pieces measuring 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And I cut each piece then into quarters. So I've used the first set of quarters on this card, and then I'm going to use the next set on this card. So let's get started. I'm going to bring back our large piece here of Whisper White. And I'm just going to, this should measure exactly the same as the as our pieces here of Grapefruit Grove, designer series paper rather. So I'm just going to place these on here, just making sure. The one thing you want to make sure is that your script is all facing the same way, obviously, because you don't want your script to be upside down, because you will be able to tell. So it's going to go on like that. So for ease, I'm just going to use some Tombow, even though it's not my favourite friend. For this, it's just going to give me a little bit of wiggle room to get these pieces down properly. So, whoopsie daisy. Try not to stick my fingers in the glue, and of course I already have, so that didn't go very well, did it? Okay, so just sticking it down in the corner there, trying to line it up with the edge of the paper as much as possible. And then let's do this other piece here. And as I said, now that I've started to store my Tombow upside down, I find it works a lot better for me than it did when I used to store it just on its side in my drawer. Of course I store my spare ones just in the drawer, but as I said before, I store my Tombow in here upside down, and this is a nail varnish thing that you're meant to be able to put the nail varnish in there when you're wanting to paint your nails, but it's not something I'm into. For me, this works perfect, just to stick your Tombow in. And I got that on eBay, so for a couple of quid for two of them, so I was a very happy girl. So I'm always telling people about that because I thought it was a great tip that I learnt. And if you find something good, you want to pass it on. You want to share. You don't want to keep it all to yourself. So it will be quite selfish. So let's put this last piece down. I was about to put it upside down after I told everybody to make sure you put it the right way. I was about to do it the wrong way. So that would have been very clever of me. And I haven't got this piece here very straight, so let's just move it. Okay. And you're not going to see the centre join here at all. Okay, because we're going to stick our sentiment over that, so don't worry about that. So what we're going to do actually is stick this down now to our card base, and I'm just going to use a bit of snail for that. I'm just going to funnel this on here, and then it's done and out the way. And I did try to just stick these pieces directly down onto my card base, and I couldn't get them to get the even amount around the edges, which is why I decided to stick them on a piece of Whisper White and then stick it down. It was much easier. So let's do some stamping. The stamps that we're going to be using is called So Sentimental. I'm going to stamp a memento, and that's a sentiment, and we're going to be using this one that says your friendship is a blessing. So let's stamp this up. Give it a good old ink and then in the center, stamp, hold it down, up. Yeah, lovely. So now I'm going to cut that out using the layering ovals, and let me show you those while I'm here. I have to get them out anyway, so whoops, made a bit of a mess storing them again. And I'm going to be using, is it this one? No, it's the next one down. I think it's this one here. Yes, your friendship is a blessing. And then I'm going to be using, which one did I use for this? This one here on the black. But you can use whatever you like and however you want to make it fit on your card. So I'm just going to put this through the big shot and I'll be back. So I've put those through the big shot, so now I'm just going to stick my sentiment to my piece of Whisper White, and then like that, and then we're just going to pop this up on some dimensionals. So whoops, it's quite a big piece to pop up, so there we go. I'm going to be generous as I normally am with these, but you can use as many or as little as you want to. There's no hard and fast rule about how many dimensionals you need to use. I love dimensionals, I just hate taking these backings off, it drives me mad. They get everywhere. I can never see if I've got them all off, so I just put my hand at the back and give it a good and touch them all, and if they're all sticky then I know they're off. So I'm just going to put this somewhere in the centre, and you can see what I mean, it covers all that join and everything. So then finishing touches, I'm going to use some of the Happiness Blooms enamel dots. I'll use the smallest ones in the Grapefruit Grove, and I'm going to put one over the eye of the friendship in both places, with both eyes. So this one's going to come, it is. Okay. Move those backings out the way. And there we have it. That's the one we just made. That's the one I made before. What do you think? I think that's super cute. I like the idea of having the different colours in the different corners alternating like this, but instead of just having one black colour and the blacks in the back. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information about this card, i.e. supply list, etc., it'll be on the blog post, and the links to that and all my social media links, including my Facebook group, which I really would like you to join, is in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!